nous sommes là comme ça. Mais on dit quoi? Ça va là, ça va, ça va? Voilà tout le Cameroun, voilà tout le Cameroun. Tout le Cameroun est là, tout le Cameroun est là. I still have time. I'm gonna reach to the church and then I will give you guys the content that I'm going there for. It's a big surprise that I'm going to show to you. Ouais. Bonjour les gars, bonjour. Moi c'est Alphonse Fokou. Je suis en fait à Pretoria. Je suis en route pour l'église. C'est pour une surprise. Je réserve la surprise. Et gardez l'écoute jusqu'à la fin parce que ça sera très intéressant.
C'est moi Alice.
Alice. Oh, comment vous allez, madame? Vous voyez que je ne peux même pas vous remarquer alors que vous me remarquez très bien.
Ah oui, vous avez vu les vidéos et tout.
Ah, d'accord.
Sinon, ça va.
Non, ça va. C'est très triste dans la communauté camerounaise. Dans la communauté camerounaise en Afrique du Sud, ça c'est un matin triste. C'est un deuil national pour les Camerounais. Good morning. Are you okay? I'm going to cross here. Let's cross this place. Guys, we are in Pretoria. I'm just walking down the road in the early in the morning to show you how the place look like. Yeah. It's always a good thing to walk on the streets. And it's another form of sport. Yeah. But it's cold. I'm wearing that much because it's very cold. Guys, you cannot walk on the street in Pretoria at this moment of winter without cover yourself properly. You get sick, man. I'm telling you. So it's good to chill. You see, yeah, we got a bus station. There's no snow, yeah. In my previous video, you guys have realized that I took a video in Johannesburg with a lot of snow, which we could not believe that in South Africa there's that much of snow. So we got a difficult and terrible weather here, guys. This morning is very cold. As I'm walking like this with some jacket on me, and this actually make me to be warm because I'm walking on the street. I'm just walking, guys. You can see I'm walking, and I want to make sure that I arrive in my destination just by walking. Okay, for you who doesn't know, that's how Pretoria look like. Yeah, we are actually in South Africa. Yebo. I'm going to the church called Nelson Mandela Drive. So I'm leaving Nelson Mandela Drive. I'll be branching to this place, actually to this one, which is probably going to lead me to the church. So I choose to walk so that I can show you the environment before I arrive at the church. It's so good to be in Pretoria. Yeah. So that is it. You can see a good life in Pretoria. I'm walking my way, walking to the church on the street. Early in the morning, guys. Many people are still preparing themselves to go to work. Some offices are not yet open, and that's the reason why I think there's not too much people on the street. But usually, you know, in town like this, you see more cars than see people who are walking. So yeah, it's still okay as I'm walking to Arcadia. I'm walking, guys. I don't know how long I still have to walk, but finally I know I'll reach in the church. Don't worry, I still have time. I'm gonna reach to the church and then I will give you guys the content that I'm going there for. It's a big surprise that I'm going to show to you. Ouais. Bonjour les gars, bonjour. Moi c'est Alphonse Fokou. Je suis en fait à Pretoria. Je suis en route pour l'église. Et imaginez ce que je m'en vais à l'église le samedi matin pour faire. C'est pour une surprise. Je réserve la surprise. Et gardez l'écoute jusqu'à la fin parce que ça sera très intéressant. Ça sera très intéressant. Guys, I'm crossing this road. Yeah. I actually already in Arcadia, as you can see. I'm in Francis Road. My long walk in Pretoria early in the morning on Saturday, going to church. I'm still tracking the church. I'm still want to know where it is. It will be my first time to go to that church. Guys, I'm in Pretoria. If you like the view I'm giving you this morning, please guys, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. My name is Alphonse Fokou. I'm actually from Johannesburg. I'll be reaching the church very soon. The church starts at 9:30. I think I'm left with 10 minutes to reach there. So let's see if I'm going to reach there in time, guys. Be with me, and then I'll show you the content will make me walk like this. This content is only deeply in my heart. That's why I say I will come early in the morning and give you this. Yes. We're in Pretoria in Francis Road in the area called Arcadia. So I'm taking along this place so that we can reach the church. Be with me, guys, till we arrive there. Yeah, I could not sleep in Joburg without coming and give you this content of 30 minutes. So be with me. I cannot even follow my map because I don't have a data guide. Can you see this? All right. It's warm. Pretoria on Saturday early morning. This is Pretoria, guys. This is Pretoria. We are walking, and when we are walking like this, we have not much to say. And the funny part is that I just feel warm at the moment. I don't feel cold anymore. I feel warm. You see, I feel actually too much warm now. So it's funny thing, eh? Right? Oh wow. Let's go to the church, guys. Let's pray and go to the church. It's very important, the church of this morning. Very important, the church of this morning. Yeah. So I can see that I'm not far from the museum, and then after the museum I think I will see the church. So this is the Pretoria Art Museum. On your right, you can see museum. The church. This is a church, but I don't know if it's the one. Yeah, I don't know if it's the one. But I'll still check anyway. I'll check the name of this one. No. FGC Church. Full Gospel, okay, something like that. I'm still going further. And I believe my church is still up. Nous sommes là comme ça.
Fokou,
Mais on dit quoi? Ça va là, ça va, ça va?
Fokou,
Voilà tout le Cameroun, voilà tout le Cameroun. Tout le Cameroun est là, tout le Cameroun est là. Wow. Voilà, ils sont là tous. Un matin très triste dans la communauté camerounaise. Dans la communauté camerounaise en Afrique du Sud, ça c'est un matin triste. C'est un deuil national pour les Camerounais. Central Baptist Church. Qu'est-ce que je fais ici ce grand matin? On a les ambassadeurs, les corps diplomatiques, de tout, enfin de tout l'Afrique. Hein. L'Afrique est sortie comme un homme, un seul homme pour rendre ce dernier hommage à notre première dame. Alors ici nous sommes à l'église, nous allons pleurer ensemble. Mm-hmm. Okay, this is the entrance. As you can see, people are coming in. There is sounds. Bonjour.
C'est moi Alice.
Alice.
Fenasco.
Oh, comment vous allez, madame? Vous voyez que je ne peux même pas vous remarquer alors que vous me remarquez très bien.
Ah oui, puis j'ai vu les vidéos et tout.
D'accord, d'accord.
Sinon ça va?
Non, ça va, ça va. As you can see.
No, but it's always fine like that. Yeah, one.
Yes, guys, this is my arrival at the church. Actually, in this church today, we're going to be witnessing the memorial service for our late Mercy. Mercy is actually the late wife of our High Commissioner here in South Africa, Cameroon High Commissioner. So we have to address to the family our word of condolences. Guys, I'm going to be making a complete video to present to you the memorial service. This one was my way to the church. Thank you for watching. I believe you're going to enjoy the next video. We're going to cover the memorial service of our late First Lady, Mercy. Les gars, malgré le froid, malgré le vent, nous sommes enfin arrivés au lieu de la cérémonie. Il s'agit ici de la cérémonie de mots de condoléances à la famille de notre High Commissioner ici même en Afrique du Sud. Les gars, permettez-moi de terminer cette première partie de vidéo tout en disant à la famille éprouvée que la vie a une fin comme une lumière de bougie s'éteint. Mais
dans le cœur de ceux qui aiment, l'amour, le vrai amour ne s'éteint jamais. Paix à son âme.